Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year, BTech AIML. So guys, we are here to do the 30 days of Google Cloud program का second track, का second quest, का last, that is the challenge lab, insights from data with BigQuery challenge lab. So guys, let's start our challenge lab from here. And for this guys, I have provided my GitHub repository link, so you have to simply go over there and get into this insights from data with BigQuery, which you can find it over here in my repository. And I have provided all the codes which we have to perform in this lab. It's like we have just to perform the queries over here, so simple queries, and I have separated everything by task wise, so no need to be any tension, take any tension. So guys, you just have to copy this code and put it into the editor, and yup, it's finished. So first of all, I will start the lab. So I clicked on it. Okay. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, let's open the Google console. I will copy the username from here. I will use another account. I will paste it over here. I will copy the password. I will again paste it over here. And I will accept these terms and conditions by Google. Okay, let's accept this, and after that we will be starting our going into our BigQuery editor for running all the queries, and all the queries I have provided in my GitHub repository, so no need to worry. And guys, please do share and subscribe my video, and guys, if you want to give me any suggestion, it's in the comment box. You can give me anything, any suggestions. So let's start this BigQuery from here. So now there will be a conditions which I need to be clicking on done. Okay guys, we are done. So first of all, see the first task, that's total confirmed case. Okay, so I will copy this query and I will go in my editor and I will paste it over here and I will run this. And guys, as you can see, the query is processed and it's run. Now let's check our first task. Okay, wait, it will be done. Okay, let's see it was done or not. These are the query results. Okay, now let's check it. Guys, we are done with this. Now query number 2, worst affected areas. So I will copy this command from here to here, and I will be running this same command in a new query because sometime it may be messed up. So I will be running this query. As guys, you can see our query is running, and we have run our query successfully, and after that we will be checking. Okay guys, we are done with this. Now our third query, we'll select this. I will come here, I will compose a new query again. I will paste it over and run it. Guys, you just have to simply copy the query and run it in the editor, and it's that much only you have to do. Now fourth one, fatality ratio. I will go in my GitHub repo, I will copy this come here and I will run this in the query. Okay, we are done with this also. Now query number 5, select this, I will come here, I will compose a new query, I will paste here and run this. Guys, we are done with this also. Now query number 6, this is our query number 6. I will come here and select my entire query number 6. I will go and I will compose a new query again. Okay, I will paste this entire query and run this. As you can see guys, our query is running. This is the 6th one and we have completed this also successfully. Let's check it. Now we will be going to our 7th, that is doubling rate. I will come over here, I will copy this entire 7th query from here and I will come here and I will compose a new query and I will paste everything over and run this. Okay guys, we are done with this also. 7th task. Okay, now 8th one. I will come here and I will copy this entire query from here and I will come into here and I will compose a new query again. We can perform in that same query also, no, if you want, but because I like to be clear everything, so I'm like to compose a new query every time. So by this we will be completing this 8th one. Now 9th one, from your width to summary, I will copy this and guys I will compose again a new query for our 9th one. Okay, paste it over and I will run it. Okay, so you can check we have completed our 9th query also. And now this last one, we have to create a database studio. So for that I will be going and copying this command from here and some extra work is also there, so guys be sure to watch this. We'll paste this and run this query first of all. Okay, it's running guys. Okay, now we have to get into explore dataset and now in explore with data studio. Okay guys, it's starting. Accept it, authorize, it will be done guys. Okay, it's done. Okay, from here what we will do is we will pick this country cases from here and put it into our dimension section. Okay guys, we are done with this and I will select this chart over here. Okay, and let's see if this is completed. Okay guys, with this we have completed our last challenge lab also of the second quest and I will be ending this. And guys, please do share my video everywhere and if you want to give me any suggestion, give me in the comment box and I have provided my LinkedIn profile in the description. You can give me any suggestions or you can message me for anything over there. And guys, कल नया क्वेस्ट आ रहा होगा और अगले 4 दिन में पूरा सेकेंड ट्रैक भी ख़त्म हो रही होगी. सो गाइज बी ट्यून्ड एंड अपडेटेड एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.